Hi everyone. Just a very quick thing, but this could be quite important moving forward. Once you've clicked on Teams and created your team, like I showed you in the video the other day, there's one little setting that you probably want to tweak. So here's a demo class that I've created just for showing folks how to do little things. On this posts page, which is the first one that comes up when you click onto the class, unless you turn it off as a setting, the kids can type posts by clicking into the box down the bottom. And it appears there, and then it says who's clicked it and what time they've done it, and then you have a series of options in which you can reply to it, so on and so forth. Now, in the classes I've created so far, at the minute I haven't turned that off, mainly because it is quite useful and I can see kids who are helping each other through it and who are asking me questions through it. And if they do that, that means that they don't then have to email you, and that's kind of handy. The problem is, of course, that kids also could post stuff up there that's not appropriate. You, as the person who runs the class, can immediately delete someone else's comment by clicking here and then clicking on delete, and then I've deleted it. But it might be you decide you don't want them to be able to type into that at all. So if you do decide that you want to turn off that setting, and while we're working out what to do, maybe that is the wise thing to do to start with, you click on the dots over here where it says more options, and then you click on manage channel, and here you can see the little settings. If you click there, only owners can post messages. That means that that's only you can do it, and then it turns it off from the kids' point of view. So once you've done that, you can go back onto the class, and now that means that a student wouldn't be able to post to it. You would, because you're the person that owns the class. Hope that's helpful, and that's something definitely worth bearing in mind as we move forward.